In this video, we will show you how to create self-signed certificate in Windows 11. To create self-signed certificates, it's very easy. First in here, we will prepare the script to creating a self-signed certificate. Then you can execute them later. And let me show you how to do that. First, after you prepare the script, okay, you can get the script, the link on comments, okay. After you get the script, just open it. Then you need to open Windows PowerShell. Just type PowerShell and make sure that you open Windows PowerShell ISA. Okay, ISA, not just only PowerShell. Just select PowerShell ISA and don't forget to run as administrator here. Okay, after that, you can see you can just make this smaller like this. Okay, then you can copy all of the script that you just download from link on the comments. You can paste in here. Okay, in here, let me show you. We can run this script one by one. Okay, just first to verify the script is works, we can just running the selected script. Just click this run selection. Okay, this is successfully. Now you can block the view certificate here. Okay, just select this. Okay, now our view certificate is works. And then we need to export the package sign-in certificate to a file with password. Okay, don't forget to change something we needed here. First, you can change the username based on your username here. For example, you can see our users. See, users is, my username is WD. Okay, just type in here WD. Okay, our result msix code cert.pfx. This is the file we'll save on the documents. You can see in our documents, nothing exists in the files. So we can change the password first. This password is very important, so don't forget, because if we want to install the certificate, we need to input this password. Okay. In our case, just add 123 like this, for example. Then we can block again our export the packages line. Just click this, run selection. Now you can see in the documents, okay, our MSIX code cert.pfx is successfully created. Now go to the next section, import the certificate into the Trusted People store. Okay, just block this line and select the run selection. Okay, successfully. Then in here, we need just to execute the next line to export the public to a .serve files. Make sure this is your username, WD in my case. Okay, this is will generate codecert.cer here. Just run the selection and click run selection here. Okay, successfully. Let's see. Now we have two file codecert.cert and msix codecert.pfx here. And then we can just block this and run the selection. Okay, now successfully. Okay, so if we want the certificate in another computer, we can just install this msix code.pfx. So we can install them to another machine. Okay, in the local machine, for example, and click next like this, and click next, for example, and we need to type our password that you must input that you created on the script before. Okay, this is the password, so don't forget this password. Let me show you if we take the wrong password. The password you enter is incorrect. Okay, and then click next and place all certificate to the following store. For example, in the trusted publisher, here and then click OK, and click next, and click finish, like that. And that's all tutorial how to install or create self-signed certificate. And when we install on the Windows is successfully, then the question is how we can using this .surf file. You can using this into the application that you want to install on the Windows machine. Okay, and this is to install directly on the Windows. That's all tutorial how to create self-signed certificate on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.